If nothing would have changed, we'd have stayed the same. Never killed the flame. Would we hold our ground? If nothing would have changed, would you take my name?
Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. This video is my everyday fall cleaning routine, and I know I do a lot of house cleaning videos that are like really intense and tons of things and I'm super behind, but this is what I try and do on an everyday basis so that doesn't happen. So I hope that you enjoy this video. It's nothing super crazy, but again, it's like the everyday fall house cleaning routine. And this also is a collab with Tara Henderson, who I'm literally obsessed with. She is the cutest mom I've ever seen. She has 3 kids, 2 little girls, a little boy that she just had a few months ago, and I'm obsessed with like seeing him in her videos because I'm about to have a little boy. So I don't know, it's like seeing my future in a far away kind of way. I don't even know what I'm saying, but I know you guys know what I mean. So I really encourage you to check out her video. She also is doing her fall cleaning routine. It is linked below, and honestly I feel like so many of you guys are well aware of who Tara Henderson is. Like, everybody loves her, I love her. So if you are not familiar with her, if you've been living under a rock or anything like that, I definitely encourage you to check out her channel. Tell her that I sent you. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing before you go. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and let's get started. One thing many of you have loved seeing in my videos lately are my coffee recipes. I love coffee so much, and I'm pregnant, so I only have 1 cup a day. Some days I even skip it. But I'm addicted. So the one I've been making for fall is a vanilla pod from Nespresso, and then I use a Starbucks coffee creamer. Right now I have cinnamon latte. I also have the caramel macchiato. They both are amazing. There is pumpkin spice if you like that too. And then I put it in the frother, I warm it and froth it up, stir it together, and it is heavenly. I buy the Starbucks creamer from Meijer. I know Target is starting to carry it. Hopefully you can find it where you live too.
Will you bet if you get the chance? I know I should.
And now that we have a little boost going from our coffee, it's time to get to the rest of the tasks. So the first thing that I do is I start by watering the fall flowers. I have to take some stickers off of those still, but bending down is a struggle. I keep forgetting. I need to remind Chad to help me with that. And then I will head back inside and start to pick up from getting ready and from anything that I left out. A lot of the everyday routine is picking up from the night before. I really wish I was the kind of person who straightened up before I went to bed, and sometimes I do, but honestly it doesn't happen that often. At the end of the day, I'm just like so done. So I will pick up the rest of the mess from everything that happened the day before the next morning after getting ready. And now I'm making my bed, which I make my bed almost every single day. I'm really good about this. Whenever my bed is made, it honestly just makes me feel like I have my life together. I'm sure some of you guys can relate. So this is like a really big thing for me that I feel like I have to do.
Bumping next to my height. Do you feel that I'm your missing part? That you're finally right.
And after I make our bed, I take care of anything on our nightstands. Right now Chad is reading a Dad's on Deck book, and I always have like a water. I had a hot tea sitting on my night, or it wasn't hot when I took it off, but it was at one point because I woke up at 5:30 on this day, which I never do, and took a hot bath at 6 a.m. because I couldn't sleep. So I'm taking care of those things, and then I'm heading into the kitchen and taking care of that.
Feels like a deja vu. I know for sure you are my missing part. I know that you'll be you.
I'm going to be sharing all of my favorite fall house cleaning products in this video, which I am so excited about because you guys know how much I look forward to seasonal scents. It's so fun, like having something new, and I'm going to be sharing 3 different scents in this video. But if you plan on getting the same scent for like everything, I definitely recommend that you get it through Grow Collaborative. It's linked below, and it's going to save you money if you get like the set through them instead of getting everything separately. The only reason that I I did is because I want to show you guys what your options are. So I have the Mum, I have the Acorn Spice, and also the Apple Cider. The only one I don't have is the Pumpkin, I think it's Pumpkin Spice. Honestly, I don't really like that one, but the other ones I really like. So the Mum is obviously very floral, and then the Apple Cider is exactly what you think. It smells exactly like apple cider, and the Acorn Spice is such like a warm, welcoming scent. If you walk into a gift shop in the fall or even a candle shop in the fall, it's like the exact scent that you would think of.
I can hear you laugh it off. You always said mistakes I left in the past.
So on a daily basis in the kitchen, I will load and unload the dishwasher, sometimes both, get everything off the counters like handbags, receipts, papers, things like that, and then I will wipe down the counters. I also take out the recycling, which is like sparkling water cans and the cardboard boxes from Amazon Prime. We always have so many of those. So I do the first part by getting all of that stuff together and taking it outside into the garage, and then when Chad gets home, he breaks it down and he takes care of like the second half. I feel like I really have to maintain our house because it's a smaller house. There's not like a whole lot of empty space. So if there's a mess, it feels like a huge mess as opposed to a larger house with a lot of empty space.
Walls and paint that spells out your name. Yeah. You said you had to change your heart, that Albany just left you all the same.
And after all the dishes are taken care of, I wipe out the sink, scrub it out if needed, and then I will set out a dish towel for the day. This one is from HomeGoods. Surprise, surprise. I try and use these for at least 2 days, but it seems like they get really dirty really fast, and I almost always am changing it out on a daily basis. And now I'm going to set out those fall soaps. So the Mum for dishes, the Apple Cider for hands. I used these last year, I think the same setup, and I was so excited to set them out again. I wanted to wait for this video though, so now I get to use them every day. And now I'm using Acorn Spice Multi-Surface Spray from Mrs. Meyer's on my countertops in the kitchen. I will use this on the dining room table and a few other surfaces too.
Nothing would have changed, we'd have stayed the same, never killed the flame, we'll be on our ground. If nothing would have changed, would you take my name, stay through the rain?
We do so much cooking at our house. I couldn't skip this for a day, even if I wanted to. Seems like there's always so many crumbs, fingerprints, splatters, anything you can think of from cooking. After this, I'm going to light the fall candles that I set out in my fall decorate with me. I've been doing a lot of fall videos this year. I'm going to link them below. If you are new here, make sure to check them out.
Captured in a photograph, do you remember how we used to sit in the vines?
And then I take care of the dining room table. There's almost always like water glass marks here, smudges, fingerprints, sometimes small crumbs from dinner the night before. So if I didn't take care of it then, I will take care of it now. And then I will go into the living room, and this room honestly gets destroyed on a nightly basis. We hang out in here almost every night. I will work on my laptop. I also will completely tear apart the couches, as you can see. Since I'm so pregnant, it takes me forever to get fully comfortable. I stack pillows, I move them, I rearrange them. Like, this is what it looks like almost every morning. So I will take care of anything that's left on the coffee table, wipe it off if there's any water glass marks, which there almost always are, and then I will straighten up everything that I pulled apart, the side tables, the pillows on either side where Chad was sitting, whatever needs to be put away. I will do this now.
How I miss the sun, looking into those eyes, wishing that somehow we could go back again. One more time, baby, yeah. Oh,
last thing I'm doing is lighting my acorn spice candle so I can enjoy it for a few hours. This is very fragrant. It has a strong scent, and I'm mentioning that because sometimes you buy a candle, it smells like nothing and it's such a letdown. So this one is definitely fragrant, smells great, and is perfect for fall. And that completes my everyday fall cleaning video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. Hit the like button if you did. Please subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to check out the link below for Tara's video. I also will link a lot of other fall videos I've done this year. I feel like I'm on a roll with fall videos, so I hope you guys are enjoying them, and I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!